In today's video, I am going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So in order to permanently delete your Facebook account, you need to open Facebook application. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it. Then click on the settings icon. Go to personal and account information. From here, select account ownership and control. Now click on this deactivation and deletion option. Select delete account and click on continue to account deletion. Once again, click on continue to account deletion. Scroll down to the bottom and click on delete account. Now you will be required to enter your Facebook account password. And once you have entered the password, click on continue. Click on delete account. And that's it. Your Facebook account has now been permanently deleted. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.